Hello friends, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how to make the impossible possible. So let's start the video with a like. This is a simple DC battery-powered remote. Are you going from being rich to poor by buying batteries again and again? No more wasting money. I will make a simple remote into an extraordinary rechargeable remote. Isn't this great? If this is great, then definitely comment. I have already arranged to install the pin for charging. I checked once to see if the pin is properly seated. I took a large amount of Zener diodes to prevent the DC charge from returning. The function of this diode is to direct the electricity in one direction. Then I attached the rechargeable battery to the back of the remote with a soldering iron. Then I checked once. I saw that the remote was not working. Maybe the battery connection was reversed. I checked it with a meter and found that it was indeed wrong. I installed it again correctly and checked it once. Then I attached the pin with glue gum. I measured the negative and positive of the battery with a digital multimeter. Then I connected the wires properly with a talat. I checked whether they were connected properly with a DC 3.7 volt and a digital meter. I saw that everything was fine. Then I checked whether the remote was working properly. Wow, that is also working properly. Isn't it great? If it is great, please comment so that there is no mistake. Now I checked whether everything is fine again and connected the back part of the battery properly with a co-step and finished the work. Thank you for watching the video till the end. To get such wonderful videos, subscribe to my Tech Mechanic channel and ring the notification bell. Thanks again.